Use the operating mode magnetometer to clear the scan field of small metal items like nails, cans, screws and wires near the surface. Magnetometer is primarily in acoustic mode. However, the feedback is also visualized on the display to determine the highs and lows. Use the standard probe or the super sensor for this operating mode. By using the high-resolution super sensor, you can achieve a much better depth performance. Select magnetometer from the main menu. Start the scan by pushing the start button. Move slowly forwards, backwards, to the left and to the right, but avoid turning the probe. The probe should always point vertical to the ground. Do not pivot, swing or turn it around its own axis. Switch on the LED orbit to get direct visual feedback. Ferromagnetic objects are indicated in blue and red colors corresponding to their negative and positive magnetic pole.